Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Team Wire. Right now I have Mitsubishi Outlander. This vehicle has a problem with ABS light on the dashboard. Look, right now we don't have ABS light, but when you drive this vehicle for a long period of time, the ABS light pop up on the dashboard. So today I'm going to scan this vehicle, and the fault code, let me read, is C1020, which is rear left wheel speed sensor circuit. So it has a problem with the rear left speed sensor circuit. So I'm going to remove the wheel so that we see the ABS sensor. So the problem can be the ABS itself, or there is an open circuit, or the ABS actuator. Those are possible causes. So this is the ABS sensor. See, this is the ABS sensor. So I'm going to use let me show you. Let me remove the socket. To remove the socket, you must squeeze yourself here. This is the socket. So I'm going to check the any open circuit using my multimeter. So let me test using my multimeter here. See, there's an open circuit, so the ABS is faulty. So to save money, because where we are we can't find that ABS right now, so I'm going to go through that ABS so that we find where the open circuit is. So this is the where the open circuit was, so I had to eliminate that part, and this is the ABS part. So I'm going to test using my multimeter to see if that ABS is okay. I normally do this to save money, to save on cash, and it depends with where you are. Let me interchange the wires. See, right now the ABS is okay, so I'm going to join those two wires because I have already eliminated the wooden part. I'm going to join like that using a solder gas to make sure it is firm like that. That's how I normally repair. Then I'm going to tape to make sure everything is intact. When you do this thing can last around 2 years or 3 years. So right now he don't have money, so we need to make sure it work perfect. At the same time, we can't find that ABS right away, so I'm going to test. See, so it's okay. So I'm going to install back to the vehicle socket. So right now it's okay. So I'm going to use my diagnostic machine. So I'm going to install everything back the way it was before. So right now we are done with that. So I'm going to live data the front wheel and left wheel. See, it's working perfect. See, right now it's working perfect. See, so it's okay. So I'm going back to clear that fault code from the system as usual, like that. Right now we don't have any fault code in the system. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.